Okay, right here we've got 1¼ inch PVC pipe on the left, and on the right 3/4 inch diameter PVC pipe. At the end of the 1¼ inch PVC pipe, I built a check valve. It has a dome-shaped end cap, and on the other side of that I think it's a 5/8 inch hole, there's a 1 inch diameter marble, and that marble is able to free float up and down, and it will plug the hole when there's enough pressure, back pressure on it to force it into the hole. And that's what happens on the downstroke of the pump on the inside. So this end right here has the check valve assembly. It's got a safety rope attached to a pipe hanger, and now we pull back, and I've got 3 10-foot sections of the Schedule 40 1¼ inch, all joined together with couplers. That makes a total of 30 feet long. And this is the outside pipe that will be mounted to the inside of the well pipe. Inside this pipe will be a 3/4 inch pipe. There it is. It's a little bit shorter. It's about a foot shorter than the outside pipe. This is 3/4 inch pipe. This here's the top end of it. It's got a threaded adapter on it in case you have to hook up a hose. But down at this far end down here, it has its own check valve. And I've got a, what the heck is it? It's a 1/4 inch hole and a 1/2 inch marble inside. And that marble is free floating. It does have a stop to keep it from going all the way up the pipe. But when it has sufficient back pressure, the marble blocks the hole, it holds the water, and then this pipe, the small pipe, will be raised up and it will pump water out at the other end. It also is 3 10-foot sections. Actually, it's 2 10-foot sections put together with couplers. The final section is only 9 feet long. Nine feet means that this section right here will come to within about 1 foot of the bottom. And as you move this 3/4 inch pipe up and down inside the larger pipe, it will free up this check valve here, which will draw water into the pipe. Then this pipe will be pushed down, and as it pushes down, its check valve opens up and allows all the water stored in here to be shoved up into this pipe. And this one will then stop because of the back pressure. And that way you can keep filling this pipe up all the way up here to the end where it will come out. This whole assembly will be set up to hang inside the well casing. It will hang on 2 hangers that I've got bolts for right here. These bolts go right through the pipe, and then I have a safety rope that will be connected to another eye bolt right here. That will make sure that if anything does go wrong and the assembly comes apart, it won't go falling down the well, I guess. Yeah.
6-inch pipe.
Wow, Janie. You did a really nice job hauling this up into the tree.
It's a big one.
Here it is all the way in. The bolts out here for each of the pipe hangers are all tightened up. Got my safety line here attached to the very bottom of the pump, the manual pump. And we got the power turned off to the regular pump just in case. Now I gotta tighten up some screws and seal the threads, lock them, and then we can try it out. Now that we've got this safely down the well, it's locked into the pipe hangers, we're about ready to test her out. Okay, we'll shoot the water over here. Got to pull it up 20 feet. What do you think?
I think that's a success.
We got water. We got water. Water fresh from the ground.